Hi, my name is Mario Veluso and I'm here to discuss to you about decimals. This is from the book Math Made Easy, Book 4. So decimals is made up of a whole number and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. So here's an example, 2.45. So this is the whole number part, this is the fractional part, and this is the decimal point. So each position represents a certain fraction of a number. Like for this 4 is actually 4 tenths. This is a tenths position, and this is a hundredths position. I would like to show you in graphical form. This 2.45. This drawing represents 2.45. So you can see two boxes here. So this represents 2, and this box I divided into 10. If you take 4 of that, this one is, so that's 2, that's 0.4. That's this shaded area represents this 4, and then if you divide it by 100 and you take 5 of this, 1 2 3 4 5, so that represents 5. So this 1 2 and 0.4 and then 0.05. So this is 2.45. So this is how much the more number in here, the smaller is the fraction. So that's 2.45. Now so let's I'll just extend it to more numbers. So this is in tenths. If you divide a box by 10 and you get 4, this is called the tenths. This is called the hundreds. This is called the thousands. If you have to divide it by 1,000 and you get 6 of that. 7 is 10,000s and 8 is 100,000s. Now we go to addition of decimals. Addition of decimals. So for addition of decimals, the important thing is you have to align the numbers with the correct position. So for example, we have to add 3.241, and we want to add that to 72.25. So the first thing that we need to align in here is the decimal point. So we align the decimal point, and then we can put now the numbers. So with respect to the decimal point, so here's the decimal point, so we put 3 in here, and then 2, 4, and 1 is on the right of the decimal point, and then we put 72.35 in here. So 2 would be aligning with 3, and then 7 here, and then 35, and then we can add. So they are aligned with the same position. So if we add, so this one doesn't have a number, let's put 0. So we can add from right to left. 0, 1, 8 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 again, 75. So this is how we add decimals. Now we go for subtraction. To subtract, we also align the decimal point. So for example, we get a number 8.136 minus 0.542. So we need to align first the decimal point. So decimal point. So 8.136 minus 0.542. So if we subtract that one, so we start from the right. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then it's similar to the subtraction of whole numbers. So for this one, 3 minus 4, we cannot subtract, so we have to borrow from the next number. So this one becomes 0, so 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. So this one becomes 0. 0 minus 5, we cannot do it, so we borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7, and 10 becomes 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and then put the decimal point, and 7 minus 0 is 7. So that's how we do addition and subtraction of decimals.